Michelle here from Fine Natural Hair and Faith. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing all the ways I use the Generic Detangler brush while preventing breakage. Starting with detangling under water. Now this is usually in the shower, but for the sake of the video, I'm doing it under the sink. This is an excellent way to use this detangler brush because the shower or water stream aids in the detangling process. So as you can see, I'm working on my ends and I also work at the roots. The water just really helps for the brush to glide through, providing it with some slip. Next up is detangling dry hair. Sometimes you just gotta do it. So the way I detangle my dry hair is to spritz it with a little water and then add some oil to the ends and then also to the roots. The roots can get very, very tangly, so this is a game changer for those who get tangly roots like me. I like to keep the little bar at the top so that I have a little bit more control when working it through my hair. So here's where I start on my ends, but then I also like to gently rake the roots until you feel where the resistance is, then detangling the ends again. So I go back and forth and I also use my fingers. The point is to get from the root to the ends and back and forth and meet the tangles in the middle and dislodge them. The last way I use the Generic Detangling brush is on hair that's got deep conditioner in it. The deep conditioner has already been marinating in my hair and it's time to rinse it out. But before I do, I use the Generic Detangler to remove any tangles from my hair. And as you can see, I go from roots to ends, ends to roots. I just find that to be the best way instead of just working from ends straight to roots. And I also like to work in sections that sometimes I will split those sections in two. All these detangling methods with this brush should be combined with finger detangling, and you're not doing all this detangling on one day. This video was to just show 3 different methods to choose from when detangling. Once I'm done detangling a general large section, then I remove the bar and I use the brush to further run through my hair. And as you can see, I do not have a lot of shed hair in this brush. This was it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Be blessed.